Hans von Spakovsky is an expert on immigration and election law and so many other things, civil rights. He is the senior legal fellow at Advancing American Freedom. Hans, let's go through a few of these things. People always talk about due process, due process. When it comes to immigration and it comes to people here illegally, do they have a right to go in front of a federal judge, or do they go in front of what we call these administrative law judges? And do they have a right to a lawyer paid for by the government, or they have a right to counsel if they can afford it themselves? Do they have a right to all these things the American people have a right to as citizens? And has the Supreme Court said that, no, they have the same due process rights as an American citizen? Can you help sort this out for me?
All these critics of the administration, and frankly, unfortunately, too many federal judges, are ignoring the fact that the Supreme Court has said on multiple occasions that immigration proceedings, they are not criminal proceedings. And the kind of due process rights that a defendant has when you're being criminally prosecuted for murder or assault or something like that, aliens do not have those. That's why when ICE, for example, detains an alien, they don't have to read them their Miranda rights. Yeah, they can have a lawyer in the immigration proceeding before an immigration judge, but the government doesn't have to pay for that. So it's not they're not entitled to, the wrong question is, are they entitled to due process? No. The question is, what kind of process are they due? And that's outlined in federal immigration law, and it's very limited.